In the last 6 months, thousands of jobs didn't disappear. They were quietly replaced by AI agents. Not people, the middle.
Not someday, not in the future. Right now, AI didn't replace people, it replaced the middle. And here's the pattern nobody talks about. The people who understand AI agents are moving up. The people who don't are slowly being automated out. This isn't about coding. It's about understanding how modern work is being reorganized. The safest job in the AI era isn't the one being replaced. It's the one designing the system. AI agents are already operating inside real companies. They answer customer questions, summarize research, and route information. They schedule work and make decisions across systems. These aren't experiments, they're competitive advantages. Companies using AI agents move faster. If your job repeats itself, an AI agent is already learning it. But AI agents are not replacing people.
They answer questions. They route information. AI agents don't replace people. They replace the grind.
They're replacing repetitive tasks. Creativity stays. Judgment stays. AI doesn't fire you. It deletes the boring half of your job. But someone still decides what the agent can do and where the limits are. Those people are becoming indispensable. An AI agent is not ChatGPT, and it's not simple automation. ChatGPT answers questions. Automation follows rules. An AI agent does something different. It observes, understands, and acts. Every AI agent has 3 core elements: reasoning, memory, and tools. When these combine, software starts operating. This is exploding now because the barrier is gone. Today, AI agents can be designed visually. Logic is written in plain language. AI didn't get smarter, it got accessible. The people benefiting most aren't engineers. They're professionals who understand workflows. People who know where time is wasted and where processes break. Across industries, AI agents are quietly reshaping roles. In customer operations, research, administration, and content. They don't remove humans. They change what humans focus on. AI agents don't replace workers. They replace waiting. People who understand these systems become the bridge between business intent and technological execution. Right now, a quiet divide is forming. On one side, people who see AI as happening to them. On the other, people who guide it. AI won't replace you. Someone who understands AI will. That skill isn't trendy, it's structural. It reduces cost and accelerates decisions. AI agents are not a future concept. They're here. The advantage is understanding how work can be redesigned. Technology doesn't replace people. It replaces tasks.